Automated Industrial Motion specializes in custom wire coiling solutions. If your products utilize springs, coils, or other wire forms, AIM is here to help you manufacture those components. The turnkey systems we build center on our state-of-the-art CNC coiling machines that handle nearly any wire diameter. This custom piston ring coiling system centers on the AIM 1500 CNC coiler, which is built to handle round or rectangular wire in a range of sizes. The AIM 1500 can coil round wire from 32 thousandths of an inch to 135 thousandths of an inch in diameter, and rectangular wire with minimum dimensions of 32 thousandths and maximum dimensions of 250 thousandths of an inch. Our technology makes it easy to produce a variety of shaped rings, including round, oval, or other custom profiles. Typical applications for coiled ring products are automotive piston rings, diesel engine piston rings, and aerospace seal rings. AIM ring coilers meet the needs of these demanding industries with flexible, quality-driven ring characteristics, including flatness, dish, helix, gap, and light-tightness. The ring coiling process begins with our AIM 2100 powered wire payoff, which ensures consistent quality by regulating the wire feed into the coiler. Our wire payoffs can handle all configurations of wire packaging. As wire flows from the payoff to the coiler, we can include a laser or pit marking station for ring identification. Here, our AIM 1500 CNC coiler is enhanced with a custom feed system designed to meet the specific demands of ring coiling. Dedicated ring coiler tooling ensures that each ring is coiled with speed, precision, and quality. The custom AIM 1500 feed system pinches on the major axis of the wire, forming rings that integrate perfectly with OEM parts. Servo-controlled pullback pins ensure precise ring geometry for consistent, high-quality rings. And rapid part changeovers are achieved thanks to our unique cassette tooling designs and software homing sequences. All ring parameters can be adjusted through the touchscreen PLC, where operators can access our custom-shaped ring software to select and run a variety of pre-written programs. After coiling and cutting, rings slide down an accumulation bar to collect at the end, making it easy to integrate further automation or assembly steps into the system. We not only provide equipment tailored to your needs, but we provide a full package from concept to delivery, including design support, process optimization, and equipment integration, as well as ongoing support to make sure your custom equipment keeps running smoothly. If you're ready to vertically integrate coiling into your manufacturing operations, Automated Industrial Motion is here to help every step of the way. Take full control of your production process with AIM's proven solutions. Contact us today for a free consultation.